Good. So, it's time for the focus team to take on the wheel change challenge.
Go.
It's Linda Indegan then, taking out that front wheel. And it's absolutely seamless. Clearly I've learned from the Ghost team's efforts, turning that bike upside down. Indegan then gets that spindle in there fast. Tags the other rider, the youngster, Marcus Shooter Lonesome. Are you lonesome tonight? He's not lonesome at the moment. He's got a back wheel to change. And it's in. Incredibly fast. They're going to push Ghost all the way with this one.
Go on, Martin.
Focus is not the word. Here comes the mechanic then. Marcus Tigger. He's got to change both wheels. The rear is out. Under real pressure now because the riders have been absolutely faultless. No mechanic wants to be smoked by his own riders. So, under pressure, Tinger. Seamlessly out with the front. Seamlessly in. It's a zinger from Tinger. He's just got to do it up. It's going to be the fastest time. Yes, get the bike back on its wheels. And he touches for a 1:11, 2 seconds faster than anyone. Focused, have focused. Good. So, it's time for the focus team to take on the wheel change challenge.
Go.
It's Linda Indegan then, taking out that front wheel. And it's absolutely...